Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. So those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I am going to discuss about the new scanner, which is Hammer, which we are going to find out the hammer candle by using charting scanner. So my subscribers request, I'm going to create you the scanners on a live video now. So here last video about the scanner, we are discussing about shooting star that was working good and well on intraday as well as positional trade. So here I am going to discuss this should hammer. Let's see this kind of candle I'm going to derive you now. So previously we mentioned shooting star candle. So here we are going to find out hammer candle, how many stocks which is forming a hammer kind of candle which is a bottom. So we are focusing for a buy opportunity. If the candle hammer which is forms at the bottom, so there may be a reversal on that particular stock. So such a thing we are going to find out are filtered by the charting scanner. So let me create on the scanner. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel. So charting scanner. So you go to create a scan, and I am always doing with the futures and option stocks. So mainly I'm using a future stocks. If I am focusing for a equity, so a lot of stocks will be there and lot of stocks will be finding by the scanner, but it is a difficult to trade in intraday by tomorrow or positional. So if I get a 10-20 stocks by the scanner, so it is very difficult to find out such a thing. So here I'm going to find out only future and options share. So only 200 stock is there, and I'm going to get one or two. It may be good for my tomorrow's trading, and mostly I'm doing in options. So that is why I'm always using future stocks. Okay, so already we created a scanner about the shooting star, same like that ABS, and but here there is a changes. But if with a positive candle, right, the close would be greater than the open, right? So that time if you are mentioning open minus close, it became a negative value. So that point you have to understand. So if a positive candle, we need to close minus open. If it is a negative candle, we can use open minus close. Then if you are doing that, it will give you the exact positive value. If you are doing opposite thing, so it may give you negative value. So that you have to understand importantly. So let us go to check open minus the low. Previously we used open minus high minus close. So here open minus low we are talking about, it must be greater than again ABS value. It's a max function we are using for that to calculate here on the close with minus open. Here close minus open, it would be a green candle. Simply it's a green candle because green candle close would be higher than the open. So let's check that. So if it is a green candle, so someone who asking about doubt on this particular point, so that I am explaining you for just understand my friend. So here the stock is open. This is a green candle means the stock opened by 100, right? It is closed by 110. So here if you are using open minus close, then we get 100 minus 110, we get a negative 10. So this will not give you the perfect result. So instead of that, if it is a green candle, we are using close minus open. So it means 110 minus 100, it became a positive 10. So this will be the right way to calculate the whether it is a green candle or a red candle, right? So that you should understand, that is the reason I am using open minus close instead of if it is a red candle I use open minus close, right? If it is a green candle I use close minus open. So I hope you understand that point. So this is what important point while making a scanner. So this is what we have done, and then we are going to calculate this number should be greater than 3. The wick, that is a lower wick, must be greater than the body, which are about 3 times, right? So this is what the hammer candle, we are calculating the lower wick is greater than open minus low, right? So open minus low means opening price to low, the lower wick must be greater than higher wick must be greater than lower wick. It's a number of 3 times. That is the condition where we have mentioned. And the next one is again ABS. We are going to use high minus close. Why we are going to use high? High is the highest number, minus we are going to use close. It's a green candle and the high and close must be less than that wick, less than close minus open. Again that ABS close minus open. ABS close, yeah, let us closed minus open, latest open. Got it? So the same opposite to the shooting star. So what I'm going to do here, the scanner is ready. So same like that you follow, and you can create your own scan by using this logic. And I'm going to save the scan. So what I'm going to do, hammer by talent traders. If you want to, you can search with the name, you will be finding the scanner. So it is a public scanner, I'm not privated. So let I find out. Today I'm not getting any stocks today, correct? So but previously you can see that on the date of 18th August we got a CIPLA, right? On the 18th August we got a CIPLA, and next day it gives you entry and it not performed well. Why it is not performed well? So this hammer we are finding for a bottom, but already the stock was in uptrend. So if you find a hammer at uptrend, it's not important, right? So we will find out the hammer must be happening at lowest level. So right, so here this hammer is not working yet. We will go for a hammer by talent traders. So let me go to find out and what are the stocks here. And I think at the date of 3rd August we got a lot of stocks. Even Nifty also will be present on that. Reliance on 3rd August. Let me go to check Reliance. Many stocks, maybe 3rd August would be this, sorry, here on that Reliance. Okay, so it may be a stop loss trade. After that it went higher. And Nifty on the day, maybe let's check it out. Nifty, yes, on 3rd August would be this. Yes, this is what the 3rd August immediately triggers, and then afterwards it moves very big, right? So but it is an uptrend, so I'm going to find out hammer at bottom. So let me check it out. Is there any hammer candle which is present? I'm going to use 2 multiplied by number 2. The wick is greater than the 2 times. If any stocks, Dixon. So you can see lot of stocks. From the stocks, if the stock which is present at the bottom may be good opportunity. Let I go for a Dixon. Let's check it out. The Dixon, this is what a hammer where it is present today by the higher wick and lower wick. But if you check this is happening at the topest level. So we didn't get any stock which present hammer at bottom right now. Even 2 and 3 and even more than 3 also we didn't get it out, right? So this scanner will maybe helping you to find out a trade signal, and if you want you can use it for finding out to make intraday trade also. You can change the time frame on that latest. You can change whatever the time frame you want. You can change the time frame, it will be working for you. So I hope this may be useful video to you all. If you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends. If you have any questions or a doubt, just comment on the comment box. And thank you so much for watching, and keep subscribing my channel. Thank you so much.